FlipGrid is not working today. I guess it's been having trouble all week, and I was worried about that, and then I forgot. So it looks like I can't get into my administrative side to make sure my links are right, but I did put the codes right on the links, so the code should work, except it's not letting you guys sign in with Google. So that's the issue. It just keeps saying, what do you want to do? And so, yeah, that's no fun. But you can still record. Um, you can still record your video, and this is how you're going to do it. We're going to use Loom, which is an amazing software. Okay, so Loom, Loom.com, not LOM. Jeez, there we go. Loom.com. Say it with video, and you think you want to do that, but no. What you want to do is um, sign in. Sign in with Google, and I'm going to sign in with the test student here. Good old test student. And there's some privacy issues. 99 out of 100 people never read those. The one person that does doesn't understand it. You need to be a lawyer to understand all that gobbledygook. They're working on fixing this whole terms and conditions stuff. And it'll set me up, hopefully shortly. And you are a student. If you choose anything else, you won't get it for free. So choose it for student. And then now you're going to install the extension, because that's what you can do on your Chromebook. Boom. Install it. It's already installed on mine, but you would install it right here. This button will say install. And then you get this cool little icon right up here. You click on that. So you'll end up with something that kind of looks like this in the top corner. And I can't show you because I'm recording on Loom. You get something like this that pops up, and you'll get a little thing where it says, hey, you need to allow your camera, all that fun stuff. Do all that. And then when you talk, you should see this line squiggle here. And if you click on advanced settings, advanced options, you should be able to see, select which camera you're using and which microphone necessary. And then you can do screen and cam or just the screen only, your choice. And then hit start recording. It'll take you to something like this. And you can have it ready here, and check that out. You can download it to your Chromebook. When you are ready to, when FlipGrid's working again, you just hit upload instead of, you know, where those three little dots you clicked on to get share screen, you just click on upload and upload it. All right. If FlipGrid doesn't turn on and you're worried about it, then just send me the link by clicking share and put it into an email or Google Classroom, whatever makes sense to you, and I will get that link and I'll see that your video is done. And then I can figure out how to get it on FlipGrid for you. No big deal. Okay. So again, use loom.com, get the Chrome extension, and then give it permission and all that fun stuff. Sign in as a student. You get Loom Pro for free, which is super awesome. That's that. Thank you very much, guys. Good luck. Sorry about that. Out of my control.